Have you or your loved ones ever been diagnosed with cancer? The word cancer or the mere sound of the word cancer itself scares everyone. It's natural. In the midst of this doubt, fear, and uncertainty, how do you actually even choose the place for your right treatment? Hi, I'm Dr. Prudvi Raj, Senior Consultant Surgical Oncologist working with Speciality Cancer Care, a team of cancer experts. Most of the people choose it based on one single factor, whether the doctor or the place or the hospital is just famous or not. Does the cancer treatment work like that? In fact, it doesn't. Because cancer is a multifaceted disease. The treatment and outcomes are better when there are multiple experts dealing with the same thing. In fact, one cancer treatment of one particular individual is decided by at least 6 to 8 experts. The real question is not which hospital is popular or famous. The real question actually you should ask is, will my case be completely understood before my treatment begins? This is exactly the point of tumor board discussion. This is where specialty cancer care comes into focus. At Specialty Cancer Care, the treatment of any individual patient is not decided upon by one single expert or one single opinion. It is discussed in detail at length by multiple doctors, multiple different experts like medical oncologists, radiation oncologists, surgical oncologists, with the inputs from radiologist, pathologist, or any other concerned branch, for example, like pulmonology. We review your scans, your blood reports, your biopsy reports. So we also assess the patient by examining him whether he is physically fit or physiologically fit for the proposed treatment. And then we make personalized changes to give the best outcomes with the least possible side effects. This is actually the norm of cancer care across the globe. This reduces errors and also reduces unnecessary economical burden and psychological burden to the patient and their family. All the steps are aligned towards the preparation of the patient for the treatment and giving the optimal treatment and getting the best outcomes from it. When you're already overwhelmed with plethora of information, the last thing you need is doubt. Everyone is confused with, am I taking the correct treatment? Should I get a second opinion? At Specialty Cancer Care, you do not get one opinion. You get a decision which is coming out of multiple experts' opinion, discussions, and endless debates about your condition and what would best suit you to give the best outcomes. And then we lay out before you the options available to you and empower you with the knowledge to choose the right decision for yourself, a process called shared decision making. Cancer care is not just about speed alone, it's about precision. We do not rush into the treatment, we take optimal time to arrive at the best treatment which gives best possible outcomes for any individual. So next time, when you or your loved ones ever gets diagnosed with cancer, don't leave the decision to chance. Choose the right place. The right place is not where you just get treated. The right place is the one where your condition is completely understood and the treatment is personalized to the individual. In cancer care, one opinion can guide you, but a team can change the outcomes completely.